Most importantly, have a fantastic evening. We love you madly. Tracy's not only a fantastic singer and a massive, long-term friend of ours. Trace, what are you now? You're the regional director of...
Miss Great Britain.
Regional director for Miss Great Britain.
To me, why must you be mean to me? Gee, honey, it seems to me you like to see me crying. Each night when you say you'll fall, don't and I'm left alone, singing the blues and crying. You bring me home. Take me my hand, 'cause I made a deal with you. All I desire was my red fire to make my dreams come true. It's my hand, put me what to do. Give me the power of my red fire, so I can be like you. What I do, I want to be like you. Like you too. Those others I've seen might never be me, might never be close or try to be fast, but they wouldn't do. But nobody gave me a thrill. For all your thoughts made all of these days, it had to be you, a wonderful you. It had to be you. It had to be you. Wonderful you. It had to be you. I guess.
That's it. I woke up this morning, I had a pain in my head. just happened. Walked out the store and I had a little pain in my head. What can you do? I don't know why. Should have slept in my bed. This is Laura Winton. Please put your hands together. Laura Winton.
Don't know why I came tonight. I got a feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off the chair, and I'm wondering how I'll get down the stairs. Clown to the left of me, joking to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you. Yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you.